me banaya abasajja b'e Kampala mwagala ki. Hey, so this is how I found out that the guy who was asking me out had a baby mama who was 8 months pregnant, and he also wanted to add me to that queue. Can you imagine? Like, Ugandan men are shameless. Like, hi doves, welcome back to the channel where we get to explore Uganda through my eyes. I get to show you a piece of Uganda through my vlogs, the culture, the lifestyle, the people, the language, the food, the way of life, transportation, tourism, real estate, everything Ugandan. If that's your kind of cup of tea, you're definitely at the right channel. Do well to subscribe. Hi doves, we are coming back from my grandma's place and I'm very excited because I just renewed my Netflix subscription. I'm the happiest girl in the world, like, you cannot tell me nothing. So I'm going to be going home and watch animations. I'm such an animations girl. I love animation, so I'm spoiled of choice. Like right now I'm going through Netflix. I'm excited. I just want to watch all of this, but I want to pick one and watch for the night because tomorrow I have such a good day ahead of me planned. We will be going to the lakeside and I'm going to be buying fish. The whole point of this video, what I ate without a fridge so in my house. So stay tuned. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning guys, it's a bright new sunny day and I'm very excited because I plan on this day being productive. So I am basically going to go to the fish pot later on by the lakeside and buy fish, and I'm going to take you guys with me because I have a story time right there, so you might want to stick around and listen to it. Last time that we came here, where I'm standing right here, we almost got into a water accident. Me and my sister, we came for a boat cruise. Innocently we boarded and the thing was okay, everything was okay. So we get into the middle of the lake. Tell me why the boat begins to do funny things. It wants to capsize. It's going on this side, it's going on the other side. They're telling us please balance the boat, go on this side, go to that side. Yo, it was very scary. The guys who were supposed to act mature were busy screaming like ladies. I'm going to be telling you guys about it in my next vlog, so you don't want to miss it. Definitely stay tuned. And we just finished, you know, standing over there. I like to come over there and just meditate, taking the breeze. I love that breeze. Like, you can never pay me any amount of money to stop loving that. I love that breeze for me. And now we are heading to the fish pot, the side where they sell fish. I'm going to be buying fish because I'm going to be having dinner, and I also invited my brother. He's the one driving, so he's gonna come back home with me and have fish with me. And I also have a story time for you guys when we are preparing the fish. Like, abasajja b'e Kampala bali kuki, like I have a story time for you guys and I don't want you guys to miss it. Anyhow, like I promised you guys a story time. So today I'm going to be jazzing you guys what happened to me. Banaya basajja be Kampala mwagala chi. Hey, so this is how I found out that the guy who was asking me out had a baby mama who was 8 months pregnant, and he also wanted to add me to that queue. Can you imagine? Like, Ugandan men are shameless. Like, not all of them, but some of them are shameless. So I was minding my business, living my life. This guy comes up to me. He's like, hey, can I talk to you? We knew each other from a mutual friend. So he asks me out. I'm like, by the way he looks and the money he makes and the lifestyle he has, it doesn't seem right that he's single. Like, in most cases in Kampala, if a guy is driving, lives by himself, chances are he might have a girlfriend, he might have a baby mama, or he might even be married. So I'm like, but I just say to myself, give it a chance, let's see where it goes. So when it comes to relationships, I like to give myself time. So I told this guy, cool. So we began hanging out, going for evening walks, the daily usual things. I never asked for anything. I just wanted to get to know him genuinely because I saw some red flags at the beginning. So life continues. One day he puts the pin of his phone, like the password, he puts the password of his phone in. I'm watching. So I got the password. I'm very, very keen at such things, and I have a photographic memory. So days passed, we continued chatting, we went for evening walks. I love walking around, so we went for evening walks, we went for different things. One day I just grabbed the phone from him and ran off. He didn't follow me up to like grab the phone from me or something, because he was confident that he had the password and I didn't have the password. Part 2 in the next vlog, guys.